Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, dear children, we were learning chapter 3, starting and shutting down a computer. In that chapter, dear children, if you remember, we have covered how can we start a computer in our previous class. Now, today, we will learn how can we shut down a computer. You might have seen, dear children, at in your families, that whenever your father done with the work or your elder brother or sister done with the laptop work or desktop work, so they used to shut it down. Do you know why? Because if you shut down the system in a proper time, it saves electricity as well as it gives good life to your machine. So, dear children, always take care whenever you start computer after your work, you need to shut it down. So, the steps to shut down the computer are: it is also given, dear children, in your book on page number 28 and 29. So, what are these steps? Shutting down a computer. Step 1 is click on the start button. Step 2, click on the power button. Step 3, click on the shutdown option. Then shutdown message will appear on the screen. Step 4, switch off the button on the monitor. Step 5, then switch off the UPS. And step 6, last step, then switch off the main power button. Similarly, dear children, the way we operate the TV or LED at our home, what you do first, you switch on the main power button, then you hold the remote control of it in your hand, then you from the remote control you press the start button, then within a few seconds it gives you the display. Similarly, computer also gives you the screen, we called it desktop. And after your work goes off, again you switch off the remote control button and then you switch off the main power button. So, here also let us see step by step. Let us learn using a step by step using a screenshot. Look it over here. First step is you have to click on start button. See the icon of start button. I shown you in last class also start button. It was given in your book page number 28. Then start menu appears. Step 2 is click the shutdown button on the lower right corner of the menu. You can see in the screenshot over here in the right hand side, the shutdown button is there. When you will click on the shutdown button, so it will give you the menu. Menu will have the commands like shutdown, log off, restart, that we'll see one by one. Then step 3 is the message logging off and the shutting down will appear like this. You will get the screen in your computer and desktops also. In a few seconds the monitor turns blank. Means after this message, your monitor screen will get blank. Now, dear children, after that what you have to do is step 4. Now switch off the power button on the monitor. On monitor also, if you have power button, you need to shut it down. Nowadays touch screen monitors are there, so there also you need to see carefully where is the on and off button, and then you need to press it. Then step 5, switch off the UPS. And step 6, last step, switch off the power supply. Means you have to switch off the main power supply. And dear children, likewise, laptop comes with the inbuilt battery, our mobile comes with the inbuilt battery, and we charge it and we can use it for long hours. Similarly, dear children, here in computer system also we get UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. It is a machine that gives light, or I can say the electricity, to the computer system whenever your computer is off. or when electricity is not there, so that time you can consume the power from the UPS. So you may charge UPS time to time, or you may keep it on for charging. Next is, dear children, let us do and let us try this activity. Here is a class is going on, and Sid has drawn the steps to shut down the computer. One boy is there, Sid. He has drawn the steps to shut down the computer, but the steps are not in correct sequence. So you have to just write the correct numbers. Here you can see the 6 pictures are there, so we need to arrange them so that it will become the proper steps to shut down the computer. So let us try this. What will be the first step we need to follow? So we need to click on the start button. So this will go in the first step. This is first step. Click on the start button. Then second step is, from the start menu you need to find shutdown option. Click on the shutdown button. Then step 3 is, you will get a message, Windows shutting down. This is third step. Shutting down screen will come on your desktop. And then step 4, after that you need to switch off the your monitor screen. This is step 4. And after that you need to off your UPS. This is step 5. And then off the main power button. So here are the 6 steps we have completed. Step 1, click on start button. Step 2, click on shutdown. Step 3, shutting down message will appear on desktop. Within a few seconds you will get a blank screen. Step 4, blank monitor screen. And then step 5 is switch off the UPS. And step 6 is switch off the main power button. In case, dear children, you want to charge your computer battery, so in that case you may avoid step 5 and step 6, so that in case your LED screen, monitor screen will get shut down and your machine will take rest, but UPS will get charging using the power. So dear children, I hope you have learned how can we shut down a computer. At your home you may try, and in case you have any doubt you may text me personally so I can guide you for the same. But do try it at home. These are very basic and necessary steps you should know. Likewise, we shut down and on our mobile phones. Similarly, we should shut down and we can shut down our computer systems or the laptop or even the tablet. The same steps we can follow. Now, dear children, it is one activity in your book, page number 28. It is given. In the given picture, label the start button, desktop and icons. If you remember, I taught you this in the last class, that this is a start button and these all are icons. And this full screen we call it desktop. So similarly here we need to label them. So now we'll label them. This is your start button. these are your icons, and this full screen is your desktop. So basically desktop is the first screen we get after computer starts. The very first screen you get, that we call it desktop. It is like a wallpaper like you set in your mobile phones. On desktop we get two things, icons, start button, and one more thing remains there, that is a folder. One more thing remains there, that is a folder, folder, folder. We'll learn about folder in our next class. After this, dear children, if you remember, I gave you this activity as a task, page number 26. Last class I gave you this work as HW. I hope you all have done this. Write the names of some electronic machines that are at your home. So you must be knowing what electronic machines you all are having in your families. I wrote some names over here: TV, refrigerator, washing machine, juicer, mixer, fan, laptop or desktop. So you can write any six. So you can write any six machine names from your house, electronics machines, whatever you are using. Okay, dear children, and today we have learned, you may see the book page number 28, shutting down a computer. These all steps I taught you one by one, and this is page number 29. Till 29 we have covered. In further class we'll let you know what is the use of restart, how can we restart the computer, as well as how can we start a laptop. So till that time, dear children, take care of yourself, have healthy diet, stay happy, stay safe, and read the lesson carefully, chapter 3, starting and shutting down a computer. Okay, dear children, bye bye, take care.